How to permanently delete apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Find the app you want to delete from here. For example, Threads. Press and hold the app. Then, from the options, tap on Remove App. Then, tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You can also tap on Remove from Home Screen. This will remove the app from the home screen but will keep the app in your app library. Following these steps, you can permanently delete apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.